guys, Chef D here, and today we are going to make longa beans. So my neighbor gave me this recipe and they said to try it out, so here we go. I have some nice washed beans right here, and it'll be a nice quick and easy side dish for any meal. Okay, so now I'm going to start cutting these up. So I'm going to cut them into about 2 or 3 inches long, just like that. Okay, so right here I have a nice big wok that I'm going to use to cook my longa beans. So I have a bit of sunflower oil right here. You guys could use any vegetable oil that you'd like. And I'm just going to cover the bottom with it, just like that. And that's it. And you're going to want to keep it at about a medium-high flame. So it looks like my wok is nice and hot. So I'm going to begin sauteing these. So I have my cutting board and I can just pour all of these in like that. Okay, so the trick about wok is that you always want to continuously stir the beans, because the wok is always on a high flame and these longa beans burn very quickly, so you want to make sure that all sides get evenly cooked. So it's been about 1.5 to 2 minutes, so I think it's time to put in the sauce that we're going to use. So I'm using a mixture of oyster sauce and soy sauce right here. Right, so I am going to pour that into the wok, just like that. If you want, you can just use oyster sauce or just use soy sauce. I just use a mixture. And make sure to continuously mix this nice and well. Okay, so now this is just about ready to take off. Okay, so now that I've taken this off, I could serve this with my freshly cooked swordfish steak, and this is gonna taste delicious. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like this video if you liked it, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, Chef D's Kitchen. This recipe is really good with any protein, fish, poultry, meat, really anything. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Also, there's a link to my website, funwithchefd.us, in the description. Please make sure to go check that out, and we have some fun cooking classes there if you want to sign up. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.